Hi, my name is Vishal and I am a second year MBA student of AHEAD online program. And I'm based out in UAE and I'm a working professional. I'm a mechanical engineer. So I was actually looking forward to, go forward in my career, like to a supervisory or a managerial role. And, I was really confused on what to do. That's when I got to know about the Amrita Ahead online program. Uh, I was actually stressing between coming to a university or say how can I work and do my do my MBA together. That's when I got to know that there's a program called Ahead where I can sit at home and do my complete studies online. Uh, that's the reason I chose Amrita Ahead program. Also, not only because Amrita is just giving us an online experience, it's also because of the global recognition of the Amrita University that is present. And it has been a wonderful journey altogether because I'm already in the second year and my faculties were very supportive, and the curriculum and the feasibility. When you talk about the fee structure also, it has been all inculcated in a very nice manner and very structured manner, which makes it easy for any of the students to merge into the curriculum. Also, the global exchange program they offer, which I am eligible for, and by par level of any other universities that is being considered here. This is the reason I chose Amrita, and I am very satisfied with the protocol and the curriculum that we are being following. Yeah, thanks.